CS2 won't launch from Steam? Here's a fast, 6-step checklist to get you back in game. First, right-click CS2 in Steam, open Properties, Local Files, and verify integrity of game files. Set launch options. Try Vulkan or DX11 to switch renderers, then relaunch Steam and test. Run Steam as administrator and make sure Steam and your GPU drivers are fully updated. Disable overlays and close background apps like Discord, NVIDIA Overlay, and screen recorders before relaunching. Clear the CS2 shader cache by deleting the shadercake folder in the game directory, then restart Steam. Clear Steam's download cache, Steam settings, downloads, clear download cache, then restart Steam and retry CS2. Temporarily disable antivirus and firewall or add CS2 to allow apps to rule out blocking issues. Opt out of any CS2 beta builds in Steam or uninstall and reinstall the game if needed. Try running CS2 in compatibility mode or run the game executable as administrator to fix permission errors. For stubborn issues, perform a clean GPU driver reinstall using DDU, then install the latest official drivers and reboot. If problems persist, capture logs and post to Steam support or the CS2 community forum for targeted help. Good luck!